Okay guys, today's video we're gonna be changing the emergency brake line. Right here's the new one on this Polaris Ranger, the 700. I believe it's a 2014. There's part of the new brake line. So we're gonna have to go from right here all the way back to right here. So let's get right to it, guys. Okay, first things first, we're going to remove this right here. So you're going to take your 13 millimeter, you're going to get down here, and you're going to go, if I get a good grip on it, you're going to pull up. There we go. And now we need to get our adjustable on the other side to hold it. And all we're trying to do is just loosen this e-brake cable. They don't give you the most room up in here. But once it's loosened, and I lost you. Once it's loosened, it comes out just like that. Then from there, you take your pliers. Let me see if you can see this. Yeah, right in here, there's a pin. You can get that right out. And there's the first part. Keep this piece, put it aside. There's the first part of our brake cable gone. Now we come up under the hood, and I believe it's right down here. Definitely don't give you a lot of room to work on this. Because this piece snapped off, we got the brake cable out now. Right there, see where it snapped off? Now we take our pliers again, and we go get them. I thought I brought them up here with me. But I didn't. Okay, take our pliers again. There's another pin in here. Pinch, pull, and push. Get that out. And There's the part that snapped off right there. So now I'm going to pull this brake cable out. Probably going to do it for the back end. I'm just going to take the cable here. Sorry if it seems like there's a jump cut all of a sudden. I'm an idiot. Turns out there's a full access panel down here, so I can work on removing that damn thing for the brake line. So I put that other bolt back in from underneath, which I thought was the bolt to do this. And then I'm sitting here looking. Shows you how much this is: a lawnmower, a chainsaw, weed eater, something like that. Oh my god, I would have had it done by now. Even a riding lawnmower could have changed the brakes on that in a heartbeat. But I normally don't work on these too much, and I don't mind learning, and I know I can do it. I know I can, you know, get the job done. And of course I'm not going to charge for all the time I spent figuring out that there's a damn access panel right here. And watch, for all I know, this might not be an access panel. This might be nothing. I'm assuming that's what it is. But you ever feel like an idiot when you're working on something that you've never done before? Let me know in the comments below. Is this an access panel? Let's find out. If it is, that's going to make this job 20 times easier. Oh, by the way, T25 for these bolts here. Voila! And there's that damn nut. Right there that I was looking for. Son of a bitch. So, we now remove that. Put that aside. And now the brake cable should come out. There it is. This is why I'm changing it. Right here, broken end, right there. So now let's install this new one, shall we? Okay, we know this side goes to the back, this side goes to the front. And we got this piece right here, which is what we were finagling with. So pull this piece all the way up towards the front so we don't lose it. Now I'm going to come back down here on this access point, feed it back. Just follow the same path it had. And before I install that bolt, I'm gonna make sure I got this part on nice and secure. So that's gonna come up under there. Now I'm gonna come to the other side. Now remember, we need to loosen this part up or we're gonna have to tighten those to that. So we're gonna put that down here, just like the washer on either side. You open it all the way first, pull the washers inside, and slip that bad boy in there. Now give it a finger tight for now. Because we might have to adjust it, so you don't want to do it too tight. We're going to put that back in. Grab our pin. You don't need pliers to push the pin back in. Just a simple push, pin back in. That side's done. So now, what we're going to do is we're going to pull this a little bit, pulling this back. I'm going to see if I can't grab that somewhere easy from up front. And I can just reach my arm down here and grab it. This is going to come in behind the firewall here. So from the front, all you're going to do, actually, you know what? It'll be a lot easier if you just come over here, feed this up, up behind the firewall there. And then bring this brake cable to where we're going to need it. Under the steering column there. There's such a thick cable, it's not easy to maneuver. Oh. There we go. Now, once we got that set and done, Now all we're gonna do is feed this part into the parking brake with this pin. It should be pretty easy. The pin's just gonna go through the metal, through the eyelet here. And then you're gonna take your little pin, and you're gonna slap your pin in. And just like that, we're gonna test the brake cable and see if it works now. Okay, let's see if that brake actuates. Okay, parking brake is disengaged. So that's engaged when you pull it. So that right there is disengaged. So now what we got to do is tighten this up. Came off, so I gotta put it back on. There we go. Now tighten it back up. Okay, I'm gonna make sure it's tight with my tool. Okay, now let's see. There we go. That's what I want to see. Okay, disengaged. Engaged. Perfect. Now I'm going to tighten up the front, but first things first. Let's reattach that little guy that gave us such a hard problem earlier. And then put back on the access panel. Find the hole and start it. Zip it down. Slap back on the access panel. Just remember those T25 bolts, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, there it is, everybody. How to change the e-brake cable on a 700 Polaris Ranger. So, thank you guys for watching so much. Hit that subscribe button. Hit that like button. It's greatly appreciated. Until next time, guys, have a good one.